Good morning, children. Today we will study the history, lesson 2, the Industrial Revolution and Rise of Imperialism. In the first part, we will study about the Industrial Revolution, features of the Industrial Revolution and the causes of Industrial Revolutions. Industrial revolutions which took place during the second half of the 18th century and the first half of the 19th century was a crucial event in Europe, Great Britain and world history. It signifies a series of revolutionary changes that took place in the field of industry and the production. Manual production was replaced by mechanized production. Features of the Industrial Revolution. Goods were produced in factories instead of cottage industries. Machines were used to produce goods. People who earlier produced goods at home now became workers in these factories. Factories owners were the rich merchants. This was the beginning of capitalism. Now come to the third point, that is causes of Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolutions began in England and spread to several other countries during the period AD 1750 to AD 1850. Some of the important causes of the origin of the Industrial Revolutions are: increase in the demand of English goods. England manufactured cheap and very useful goods such as woolen and linen clothes and iron and wooden articles. While on the other hand, France manufactured luxury goods for the rich and naturally the demand for them was limited. Ample capital. England's supremacy overseas her naval powers greatly encouraged sea trade and commerce. Peaceful atmosphere. The political and social stability also helped in the growth of industries. Capital empire. England had a large colonial empire from her colonies. She could get different raw materials at cheaper rates for his factories. Assembly of coal and iron. Iron and coals was available in England in large quantities, and moreover the iron and coal mines were situated near each other. Availability of cheap labor. A large number of peasants were thrown out of employment. Such persons shifted to industrial cities. So a large number of laborers were easily available in England. Geographical locations and political stability. Being cut off from the rest of Europe, Britain remained largely unaffected by the political upheavals in other European countries. Okay, children. This was the first part of the lesson. Please go through the topics from your textbook to understand them better. In the next session, we will take up the remaining part of the lesson. Have a good day.